What a perfect day.
He's gonna attract seagulls with all those chips. They're gonna be everywhere.
Hey! What is that?
There's seagulls everywhere. That one looks like he's really hungry. Move, Jesse! Move! Put the chips down! Oh! Get out of there! Run! I'm trying to unlock it! I'm trying! It's lodged! Whoa! We gotta get you to the hospital! Don't look at me! Well, hopefully you didn't catch anything from that seagull bite. I think I did. I feel different. Are you growing feathers? Not just feathers, I'm afraid. Something even more disturbing. Tell me you didn't catch seagullosis. I think I did. You stay over there. I mean it. Don't you bite me.
You don't want to be like your brother no more?
This is gonna hurt you more than it hurts me.
Don't ruffle my feathers. I'm warning you.
Oh!
The early bird gets the worm.
No! Brother Jesse's got bird talons. Oh! You just stay away from me.
I'm gonna peck your eyes out and eat them like grapes. I'm hungry, and guess who's on the menu?
This ain't you. It's the seagulliosis talking. I just know it.
Did you say I?
What the H? You're a monster.
He got you good, Mike. He's gonna get my eyeball too. You monster!
Thanks for the lunch, guys. Just put it on my bill.
We gotta do something quick.
If a seagull bite turned him into a seagull, then you know what you have to do to turn him back into a human, Mike.
I gotta bite him? Tastes like chicken. I'm all better. It worked. But I do have to admit, when you bit me, you scared the crap out of me.
What is this? No! No! No!
Question time! Our robot Dave was eating food in this video. What food was he eating? Leave a comment below and let us know. If you want to see more videos just like this one, click on the links in the description box below.